Hello, everybody. This is Forex Surfer Babe, and this is lesson number 1. What is Forex trading? Yeah, we hear this term quite a bit, but most people don't quite understand what exactly is going on here. Okay, Forex stands for foreign exchange. Okay, and when we are trading Forex, we are trading money. We are trading different currencies online. Okay, so let me just explain that a bit further. We are trading different currencies. And what do I mean by currencies? Okay, so each and every single country in the world trades using some form of money, right? And each money has got a name, and that is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about a currency. So, for example, in South Africa, the currency is the rand. In America, the currency is the US dollar. In Europe, in some European countries, the currency is the euro. In England, they use the British pound. In Botswana, they use the pula. And that represents a form of money that you can use to exchange to buy goods and services. Each currency has got a different value depending on what is going on in that specific country. So, for example, let's take a look at South Africa. Here in South Africa, let's say you're buying a Big Mac burger. A Big Mac in South Africa is going to cost you about 45 rands. But let's say you fly over, you jet over to New York. A Big Mac is going to cost you $3.50. So, from this we can calculate and see that for each, the value of the US dollar, what's the value of the US dollar? 1 US dollar is equal to about 12.8 rands. Okay? Does that make sense? So for each and every single US dollar that a person has, that each and every single US dollar that a person has in America is equal to 12.8 rands. It's just a value of exchange. The same thing can be applied to different countries. Unfortunately, I don't know the price of other things. South Africa is just a perfect example for us. Okay, so what determines that rate of that it's 12.8 rands for just 1 US dollar? What determines that? Okay, so what determines that is what's going on in the country's economy. So that's looking at, the mining, the agriculture, politics. Is there growth prospects happening within the country? Unemployment rates, employment rates. What are the new capital expansion projects that are happening in the country? If that is looking good for the country, then we can believe that, okay, the value of the rand is going to get stronger. But let's say if we're thinking, there's not a lot of projects happening, unemployment is not being solved, no jobs are being created, then we can also think that the value might go down. So us as Forex traders, we trade money. We trade currencies. So, for example, I would be trading the US dollar versus the rand. And let's say I believe that the South African economy is going to do well in comparison to the US economy. If I believe that the projects look good, the government is looking stable, the projects that they're working on are they executing well, they're on target, then I would believe that the value of the rand is going to go up. So I would buy the rand. And then when I buy the rand, I'll hold on to it. And as the value goes up, goes up, goes up, when it's reached a certain level, when it's gained value, then I can sell it at a more expensive rate.